Hey everyone, this is Sean Terry, again with the Housing Education Network, and today I'm here with Michelle Thomas. Michelle, tell them who you're with.
I am with First Baldwin Insurance. We're an independent insurance agency in Foley, Alabama.
And we want to continue to bring value to potential home buyers, and she is definitely a good contact to have because, as you know, you need homeowners insurance on a home that you're going to get, and it can vary widely on the cost. And Michelle wants to be able to come to us today with why that's the case and some things to look out for when you're shopping, because obviously it can make an impact, something as simple as a swimming pool. So having that at your home that you're prospectively buying, right?
Absolutely.
So tell me a little bit about this. Why is insurance, why is it so expensive?
That is probably the number one question that we get is insurance is a piece of paper for most people, and it's a very expensive piece of paper most of the time. However, that piece of paper is guaranteed coverage on, for most people, the most expensive investment that they have in their lives. Is when you're buying a home, it's a big deal.
That's right.
So insurance is there to make sure if anything were to happen to that home, you'd be able to replace it.
And you never know when that's going to happen.
No, and until you've had a claim or until you've had something catastrophic that has happened, you don't realize how important that is.
So as a buyer out there looking, say they're out looking with a realtor, what are some things they need to keep in mind to help keep the costs down on the insurance that they would need for their home? What are some factors that...
There's a lot of different things that can drive. It's the roof line of the house, it's the age of the roof, some of the siding. Masonry veneer is going to be a little bit cheaper than vinyl siding. So there's a lot of rating factors that can go into play. On new construction homes, especially in Baldwin County, we're seeing gold construction on the new homes. That gold construction is driving premiums very low because those homes are built to such a high standard. So you're getting a lower premium. Homes that are 10 or 12 years old, especially more than 20 years old, you want to start looking at the age of the roof. When was the roof last replaced? When was the air conditioning system last replaced? What type of wiring does it have? Does it still have the old aluminum wiring, or has it been upgraded to copper? Also looking at the plumbing systems. Does it have the old polybutylene or the galvanized, or has it been upgraded to the copper or the PEX piping? And so all of those factor into the premiums.
Right. That's a lot of stuff to keep in mind, right? And
it really is.
They're all things that matter and things that you should be asking your realtor when you're looking at that home.
Absolutely.
Right? Because eventually it's going to impact your bottom line. And even whenever you think about, let's say you have a home that's $100,000 and you have a tree that's going right through the middle of the property, you know, you could even be looking, depending on how bad it is, you might just say on the small end, maybe $50 a month extra, right? Or something like that.
It could be. Or a denial or a cancellation because
Worst case.
carriers just don't want that risk.
And it doesn't seem even like a big deal up front, say $50 or something, but when you think about the life of your home and you get a home that has a feature like that, it can add up.
Absolutely.
And that's per month, you know, so 50 times 12, that gets you 1 year right there.
Right.
So that's why it's good to shop and get your best quote. Now, here's the cool thing. In case you guys didn't know, they have something a little special about them here. Can you tell us about this finger and what it means?
We've had these for a little while, and everybody gets a giggle out of them because it's just a First Baldwin trophy. We've put our logo across it because we do have more choices. We have multiple homeowners insurance companies, and we have multiple auto, life, commercial. We really have a lot of choices to cover anything that needs the protection. And so it was really just a lot of fun, and it gets people's attention. People love to have their pictures made with them.
So like essentially what you're saying is you can shop out a quote to different insurance companies through you guys.
Absolutely.
And you can help them find the best value. And not only can you help them find the best value, but you can quickly help them find the best value. Instead of calling, say, insurance company A and then insurance company B and doing that all on your own, you have someone here that's on your side. help.
Right. We have multiple homes, and we probably have more than 20 different options for homeowners insurance now. And for people who have lived here for a long amount of time, they know that's rare. We were in a market after hurricanes 13 years ago where carriers left. They didn't want to write insurance down here, and we saw the premiums skyrocket. Now the market has come back in. We have a lot of different choices for insurance. And so in the last 2 to 3 years, we've seen the insurance rates decrease quite a bit.
So when I'm kind of backtrack a little bit, and when we talk about, say, not per se hazards, but other things that can make the cost of someone's insurance go up, can you tell me a little bit about that? Like, is it credit, or what are some of those things besides hazards?
Insurance Score is probably the most popular rating on insurance now. It uses credit reports, it uses various types of reports to show payment histories, credit history, insurance history, claims history, and the number of claims that you have on your homeowners in a past experience can have a huge effect on the premiums that you pay. Prior insurance, have you had homeowners insurance before? Are you a first-time home buyer? Did you have renter's insurance before you bought? All of those can have a factor in the premium.
Okay. Well, I hope that you guys found something valuable here. Obviously, Michelle here would be a huge resource for you if you're gonna be looking to purchase a home. Especially, I mean, I can't reiterate the value that you would have here with her being able to shop at all these different places and the ease that it's going to help you as the buyer. So, Michelle, I appreciate you today.
Thank you so much, Sean.
Appreciate the opportunity to speak. You guys have a great day. Thanks again for watching.
Have a good day.